Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System, Agenda. Today in this training video, we will learn about document actions in DMS. Although there are several document actions available, but in this session, we will specifically focus on Move Document Action. Objectives. Objective of this training is to understand following. What does the Move Document Action include? What is the purpose of using this action? How can a document be moved from one folder to another? How they help in DMS working. Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have a tenant account and admin role with organization access, along with DMS form access. Additionally, the document must be in the check-in stage. Document actions. These are the list of document actions available in DMS. First, details. Edit document, checkout. Check-in, undo checkout, delete, move document, forward, document access, send email with QR code, chat, attachment, subscribe, unsubscribe document, copy document, download, workflow, upload, in document, out document, enable AI. These actions are visible based on the user's access. In this training video, I will cover the highlighted action. Move document. Move document action allows users to transfer documents from one folder to another within the DMS. It helps to maintain an organized structure and ensuring documents are stored in their correct locations. Users can move documents only if they have read, write, or delete permissions. This feature helps to reduce clutter, improves accessibility, and ensures that documents remain in relevant folders. However, documents cannot be moved from system-created inbox and outbox folders. Overall, the Move Document action supports efficient document management and enhances collaboration across teams. Let us understand it by using example. Suppose a document named Toyota Invoice is uploaded to the project's 2025 folder by mistake. To organize it correctly, the user can use the Move Document action to transfer it to the AP Invoices 2025 folder. The document's version history and metadata are preserved, and it now appears in the correct folder for easy access. Let us understand this in detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log in to system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. Click the project's 2025 folder to view all the uploaded documents. Then, select the Toyota Invoice document and click the 3 ellipses next to it. These are the document actions available in the DMS. Please note that the Move action is not visible if the document is in the checkout stage. Since the selected document is currently in the check-in stage, the Move document action is visible. Select the Move document action from the list. This action opens the Move document pop-up on the user's screen. The user can either enter the name of the folder to which they want to transfer the document, or click the folder info icon to view a list of available folders. The user then selects the desired folder for the document transfer. For example, I am selecting AP Invoices 2025 folder. Documents can only be moved to folders where the user has at least read-write permissions. After selecting the folder, clicking OK to confirms the folder, and the selected folder will appear in the folder field. Click OK again to move the document. Then, an info message will appear on the user's screen indicating that the Toyota Invoice document has been successfully moved. Click cross icon to close the message. As you can see, the Toyota document has been removed from this folder. To verify, the user navigates to the header of the form by clicking on My DMS and selects the AP Invoices 2025 folder where the document was moved. The moved document will now appear successfully in the AP Invoices 2025 folder. The user clicks on the document name to open its details. Once the details open, the user can click on Activity to view the document's activity history. Here, the user can see that the document has been moved, showing that Jackson transferred it from the project's 2025 folder to the AP Invoices 2025 folder. Please note that a user cannot move a globally shared document into a normal folder. So, in this video, we have covered the Move document action, and the remaining actions will be explained in upcoming videos. Thank you.